Now, I have some additional learning for you today, boys and girls. Today, I am going to share with you some objects. And these are the objects. We're going to learn more about colors today. And before we share these objects, we're going to learn our colors. Where's my color chart? Where is my color chart? Pete, did you hide my color chart? Is my color chart here? Ah, there is my color chart. Pete, you think you're sneaky, friend? I found it. Pete thought he had me today by hiding my color crayon chart, but I found it. All right. The color of the first crayon is the color. What is the first color, boys and girls? Red. Can you say red? Red. Red. Wonderful. All right, boys and girls, as we move along, what is the next color of the crayon beside the color red? The next color is orange. Can you say orange? Orange. Orange. Wonderful. All right, boys and girls. All right, Pete, get in on this lesson. I don't hear you back there, my friend. You're too busy hiding the color chart. You got to participate with the lesson. The next color, boys and girls, is the color yellow. Do you see the color yellow, boys and girls? Great. This is the color yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow. Yellow. Wonderful. All right, the next color beside the color yellow, boys and girls. Can you tell me the next color of the crayon? The next color of the crayon is green. Can you say green? Green. Green. Great. You said the color green. Wonderful. All right, boys and girls. What is the next color? The next color is blue. Can you say blue? Blue. Blue. Wonderful. You said the color blue. Outstanding. All right, beside the color blue, what is the next color beside the color blue? The next color beside the color blue is purple. Can you say purple? Purple. Purple. And this is the color purple. Great. The next color beside the color purple, boys and girls. Oh, can you tell me the next color beside the color purple, boys and girls? The next color is brown. Can you say brown? Brown. Brown. Excellent. The next color is brown. All right, lastly, boys and girls. Pete, I haven't heard you yet, my friend. What is the next color, Pete? What is the next color? What is the next color? And Pete, you should know this one because you're the shade of this color, buddy. The next color is, let's see what Pete has to say. Along with Leo and Tyler. Pete, you be good today and tell the boys and girls the last color of the crayon. You will tell them, Pete? All right. All right, Leon Tyler. Let's join together and tell me in my ear, okay? Meow, meow, meow. Ooh, did you hear, Pete? Oh, Pete said the next color is the shade of his fur. The next color is the color black. Can you say black? Black. Black. Great! You said the color black. We have a lot of crayons here on this chart, boys and girls, and we have two more colors to the right, my left, your right, crayons to identify what are the colors of the crayons. These are also special crayons like the rest, but the color of these two crayons is the color red. This is a red crayon. The color underneath the red crayon, boys and girls, is the color orange. Orange crayon. Wonderful. We have learned once again the colors of the rainbow. Wow, except the color black. But all the other colors are in the color rainbow. And maybe not brown, but all the others. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue are in the rainbow. But they're all beautiful colors. All right. Boys and girls, hey, listen. I have another surprise for you today. Look, more shapes, more colors. Look at those shapes. Look at those colors, boys and girls. These are beautiful shapes, beautiful colors. All right, the first color, boys and girls, can you tell me what is the color that I'm pointing to, the shape that I'm pointing to? What is the color of the first shape? The color of the first shape is black. Can you say black? Great. What is the color of the next shape? The next color of the shape is green. Can you say green? Wonderful. All right, the next color of the shape is pink. Oh, that's a new color. Can you say pink? Wonderful. What is the color of the next shape, boys and girls, that you see? The color of the next shape is blue. Can you say blue? Wonderful. All right, lastly, the next color is purple. Can you say purple? Great. All right, let's name the shapes. This shape, boys and girls, is an oval. Can you say oval? Oval. 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 This is a black oval. The next shape is a triangle. Can you say triangle? Triangle. Triangle. And the triangle is green. The next shape is the shape of a circle. Can you say circle? Circle. Circle. Great. You said circle. And the circle is pink. Can you say pink once again? Good. A pink circle. The next shape is the shape. Ooh, it looks like it's a funny looking shape. Look at that. Almost looks like a square, but it's not. The next shape is the shape of a rhomboid. Can you say rhomboid? Rhomboid. Rhomboid. And lastly, the purple shape here is the shape of a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Rectangle. Rectangle. Great! You've named the shapes of the day. Good job. You're smart. Okay. All right. We have another treat. Where did you hide it, Pete? Pete keeps me looking for these lessons. He just don't behave. Pete, where is Pete? I tell you something else. All right, boys and girls, I have another surprise for you. That's if I can find it, if Pete didn't hide it from me. Pete, where is my surprise, Pete? Boys and girls, can you tell Pete to behave? Say, Pete the cat, behave. Great. I am so glad you tell Pete that. Pete, you got to be a good student today, friend. Be good, Pete. You going to be good? All right, Pete. Pete says he's going to be good. All right. Thank you again, boys and girls. All right. I have another surprise for you. Do you want to know what it is, boys and girls? Ah, you do want to know what it is. It is, oh, there it is. These are objects. And today I'm going to share with you about these objects. The first object that you see on the chart that I'm pointing to you, boys and girls, what is the first object? What is this? What could it be? Can you tell me? Great. It is an apple. Can you say apple? Apple. Apple. Wonderful. All right, boys and girls, let's move along from the red apple to the red. What is that? What is it? What is it? This next object is what? Pete, do you know the next object? What do you say? Oh, Pete should know the next object because it sounds like his name. Pete the cat. Cat. Can you say cat? Cat. Wonderful. What object on this object chart sounds like Pete's name? That is right. It is hat. 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 What color is the hat, boys and girls? The color of the hat is red. 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 Red hat. Red hat. Wonderful. All right. The next object on the object chart, boys and girls. Can you tell me out there in TV land of the camera land what the next object is on the object chart? The next object is fish. Can you say fish? Fish. Fish. Great! You said fish. What color is that fish, boys and girls? The color of that fish is, can you tell me? Come on, Pete. Get in on the lesson, Pete. What color is the fish, Pete? Gold. Oh, did you hear Pete in cat voicing? He said the color of the fish is gold. Can you say gold? Gold. Gold. Goldfish. This is a goldfish. All right, the next color, boys and girls, is kind of similar to the goldfish. What is the color? What is the shape? What is the object? And the object is pumpkin. Can you say pumpkin? Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Outstanding. You said pumpkin. You are smart And what is the color of the pumpkin, boys and girls? Can you tell me the color of the pumpkin? The color of the pumpkin is orange. 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 The color of the goldfish is the color orange as well. We called it goldfish because it has some yellow, it has some orange, and it gives the visualization that it is gold, but it does have orange on the fish. The hat, again, is the color red, and the apple shape is red as well. So we have two objects that are red, apple, hat, and we have two objects that are orange, goldfish, pumpkin. Good job.